What are the new features that users should be expecting in this release?
This feature really focuses on our infrastructure at scale, infrastructure as code at scale capabilities. And so there's some really significant adds that customers have been asking for. One of the top of the list for me is webhook, web integrations, triggers, and timers. So what we've been able to do is take the Digital Rebar workflows, and our customers use them integrated into other processes. It's just a natural part of how the systems go. But what we've seen is that the interest in GitOps and using version control to really drive automation and configuration needs a way to cleanly say, oh, I changed something in my repos, drive the new states into my infrastructure. And what we've been able to do is really open up that integration completely. So any types of systems that need to get integrated into Digital Rebar can just drop in and do that integration. And we've had for a long time the opposite direction where we call back and check in and push things to other infrastructures.
What other notable features are there of this release?
So in this release, we've taken the final breaks off of our clusters and resource broker capabilities. And also there's a new feature in here called work orders. All of those actually work together to have this very clear distinction between building and running things. So RackN's had infrastructure pipelines, and the idea that I could do an end-to-end process for as long as we've had Digital Rebar. But in the last two releases, we've really extended the capabilities of having a system that can do running operations, that day two action. So we take the same automation pieces, but instead of having to hook them together as a workflow, we take that infrastructure as code thinking and turn it into blocks of execution, what we call work orders. And those work orders are incredibly portable. They're very easy to use. You can put them on timers or schedules. We just did a couple of demos for Cloud Field Day where we showed doing a global patch distribution using a work order system. So just run the patch, see if it worked, and then execute all those pieces in parallel. It's really groundbreaking automation because it's not new. It's just using our current automation in a more ad hoc, day-to-day way.